The Myers Bulldozer pump has finally been completed. I put a little Briggs W series engine on it. I had to make a little cover for the back of it because the original was gone. I put a little short pipe extension to handle any water drain off. I repaired the water diverter on the piston rod. The packing for the shaft, I manufactured 12 little leather washers and 2 wraps of faucet rope. Doesn't really seem to be leaking. Put new springs in the valves. Soaked the rubber pucks for about 2 weeks in brake fluid oil. Cleaned the surface up so they seat fairly well. Put a pulley on that allows me to change the speed of the pump. However, I have no idea of the rotation of this pump or the recommended RPM. Now, I tried running the pump in either direction. It pumps in either direction. It seems quieter in the position that I have now, which to me is counter to the way it should rotate. Maybe somebody could fill me in on the rotation, what is recommended on this Bulldozer pump. This is a 2.5 by 3 pump. I made a new rod for it. I put new leather cups in it. I had an awful lot of welding to do on this because it had been years ago, someone tried to disassemble it with a hammer and chisel and broke a lot of the cast iron pieces. Now I'm going to start it up. I checked the side of the pump to see if I could find a rotational arrow, but I couldn't find one. That's all for now. On to the next project.